Greetings to everyone on my YouTube channel, Asab Trading channel. And so with you Asab as always, and today we will use very useful trading strategy. And with this trading strategy I'll increase definitely my deposit, and it will be very interesting. Don't forget, subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and leave the like and comment under this video because it is very important to me. Let's get started. And so let's open the forecast, and the platform where we trade it will be Pocket Option, the best platform on the binary option in the world, guys. And so today I will use very simple and effective trading strategy with time expiration 1 minute, and time frame will be 1 minute, so exactly. And I will use two indicators. It will be Bears Power and MACD. You can see that, and you can change settings exactly like mine. So I'm choose like that, and okay, I want to change the color, of course. So exactly, okay, allow this color and MACD. You can change setting exactly like mine. Okay. And so let's begin to trade, guys. Today I want to increase my deposit, and so I think that all must be okay and all must be all right. So I have only $30, so, and I am going to upward position, and the time expiration 1 minute. And so we can see that the Bears Power and MACD working very well together. Its MACD indicator have two curved lines intersect each other, and so if these lines intersect each other and in direction these two lines will be to upper zone, it will be it the signal to enter to our position. And if these lines direction to down zone, is the signal to enter to downward position. So, and in this case you can see that these two lines directed to upper zone and the Bears Power directed to upper zone, this line. And so we get the profit, guys. It's exactly very cool. $57 on my account, and we're just moving on, and we want more and more. And so it's exactly true. You see that this I'm going to downward position cause I feel that all will be okay. And so 1 minute, guys, and MACD indicator intersect each other lines and directing to downward zone, and I think that it must be in our direction. And if we watch for the Bears Power, that this curved line shows us the direction to upper zone, but I think that the soon as possible will be reversal, and we catch our profit, guys. So on the short time frame, guys, you can see that. And so it exactly will be in our pockets, I think. So downward direction, and this price just dumping, and 5 seconds for finish this deal, and all in our pocket, guys. $110 on my bank account, so it looks very good. I love it. And so we're just moving on my bank account, $100, guys. 2 minutes. And so exactly, let's go. And so KGB currency pair, we're going to upper zone. So 1 minute time expiration. Let me explain it all for detail. And if we watch for the MACD indicator, we can see that in this case two lines intersect each other and directed to upper zone, and it's the first signal to enter to upper position. If we watch for the Bears Power indicator, this Bears Power indicator shows us a line, and that line are directing to upper zone, and it's the second signal to enter it upper position. And so we did it, and we just waiting for our profit, guys. So it must be exactly in our pocket, guys. We're just waiting for it. Whew! $211 on my bank account, so it's very good. So we're just moving on, guys, and what we can see, we see that the very good impulse. So look at that, I entered to currency pair euro ruble, and so I entered to upper zone, and it will be exactly alright, cause if we watch for the MACD indicator, this indicator shows us very good impulse, and the motion and these two lines directed to upper zone. And if we watch for the bearish power indicator, this indicator shows us the curved line, and this curved line shows us a little bit motion to the upper position, and so I think that all must be okay. We're just waiting for that. And so we get that profit, $400. Looks very crazy, guys. If you're a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and write to me privately in the direct message. Teach me, and I'll share with you all the useful information what I have, and I'll send you the link in my VIP channel where we trade with my team every day and earn exactly. And so I enter to downward position, draw CNI currency pair, and so we just waiting for our profit. And so if you watch for the bearish power indicator, this curve line shows us downward direction, and it's the signal to enter to downward position. And if you watch for the MACD indicator, we can see that this indicator have two lines, and these lines intersect each other, and we're going to upper zone, but in the finish you can see the red candles, and these red candles linked to downward zone, and it is signal to enter to downward position. And we get to two signals from two indicators, and it was really good signals for enter to downward position, and all must be all right, I think. And we can see this motion, this price motion, and this price motion will be in our pocket. Good, $777, guys, in my bank account. It looks very beautiful, and so moving on, and I want to trade more, I want to make more, guys. So I am entered to downward position, currency pair TND/USD, and so OTS, and we're going downward. So we see that the bearish power shows us very good motion, and if we watch to the MACD indicator, we can see intersection two lines, and these lines directed to downward zone, and it's very clear signal to enter a downward position. And if we watch for that four candles, we can see that these four candles shows, the last four candles shows us downward direction, and we must get that motion, guys. But it $1,492 on my bank account. Damn, guys, it's really sound very crazy, exactly very crazy. And so we can see we're just moving on, guys. We're just moving on, and we can see that motion, guys. So it exactly. And so I entered to currency pair euro half OTS. I entered to upper zone, and I'm entered with $1,492, guys. And what we can see, we see that the MACD indicator shows us intersection two lines, and these two lines directing to upper zone. And so if we watch to the bearish power indicator, we can see that this indicator shows us the curved line, and these lines directed to upper zone, and it was real to very clear signal to enter upper zone. And so it's very cool, and I'm glad to see that picture. So we can just waiting for our profit, guys, and price little bit dumping, but it's doesn't matter, cause I think that we definitely catch this motion. Whoo! $2,835 on my bank account. It was really good trading session. Working very well. Guys, in the conclusion, I want to say that trading strategy working brilliantly, and it was exactly very cool trading session. You can see that I'm increased my deposit from $30 guys, to $2,835 for 7-8 minutes of my free time, guys. It's sound really crazy, and I know that you want the same. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel, and just leave comment and like under this video, and just write me in the previous message want to team, and I'll send you link in my VIP channel where we trade every day, and I have all useful information in this channel. Not forget about it. See you soon, and until the next time, hug you all until it crunches.